Hi everyone, I'm Rosa with West Coast Sweat, and I'm here today with Abby. Hello. And with Lily. We want to talk today about the posture of the month, which is squat side leg lifts. And I love it because not only is it a compound movement, but you're going to add so much time under tension to your leg muscles when done properly. Because all exercises that we do in this class, you want to create the awareness in the body. But this one in particular is a standing exercise, so you're going to get the heart rate up for sure. So first you're going to do a squat. Remember, belly in, shoulders back and down. You're going to squat, and now this is a side leg lift. This is where the compound movement comes in. It's not a kick, so avoid kidding. It's a leg lift. Squat, lift, squat, lift, squat, lift. So you want to make sure your hips are back. Yep, you guys can keep doing it. Now, Abby and Lily also have a band on. So if you've done our spiked classes, you know we add the bands in those classes. So you'll notice when you're using a band, it adds more time under tension to the muscles. Now, do you need one? It's going to intensify it, but you're going to get a great burn even without it. But you want to make sure the function and the alignment are right. So if you guys want to pause, let's turn to the right. So I feel like we're going to break out into like a dance or a song, like, right? Yeah, okay, let's do it. So again, shoulders back and down, squat, leg lift, squat, leg lift, squat, leg lift. So with the squat, your hips back, you're also turning on the hamstrings. You just want to make sure you're moving in proper alignment. So we hope that you love this exercise as much as we do. You get your heart rate going, and you work to do it as fast as you can in proper alignment. So we can't wait to see you on your mat. Have a wonderful day.